Hello everyone, I'm Evan from Checkbox, and in this video I'll be walking you through a short introduction of our technology. Checkbox is a platform that enables experts to transform regulation into software without touching a single line of code. We take messy, unworkable processes and transform them into simplistic yet capability-rich business applications. To help you do this, we've built a drag-and-drop studio which automatically renders your work straight into a ready-to-use product. The problems that we solve are ones that involve complexity, demand expert research, and require diligent documentation as the key output. The International Financial Reporting Standards is a very complex set of regulation and a perfect fit to this profile, so let's see how it looks on Checkbox. So here we have the start screen of a module, which provides an overview and some data. Throughout the process, you'll be guided through questions like the one here, which, for example, asks you to identify the distinct performance obligations of the contract. This is based, as you can see, off paragraph 27 of the AASB regulation. Now, often there are terms which require further definition or guidance on the application which we have captured in the tips on the right. So after applying the definitions, I can fill this in. I also have the ability to add another field if necessary, and a field to document my analysis which will feed into the final reports. Now, depending on your responses, Checkbox will present you with the next relevant question. So it's really about guiding you through the regulation in a logical, digestible manner, whilst equipping you with all the information you need on the one page to reach an outcome. There are more complex elements like the table shown here, which has auto-populated fields from previous questions, drop-downs, open fields, and numerical inputs with calculation capability. And after a few more questions like this, we end up at the final documents. It's that easy to use. All Checkbox modules arrive at an out-of-the-box transcript, which is a record of all the questions that you've answered, your responses, as well as comments. Custom documents can also be created using our document automation technology. In this example, you can see key conclusions made from the process and any comments that I've made along the steps. Here's the table that I filled in earlier, and additional calculations as well. Finally, you can download the report in different formats. Let me now give you a sneak peek into how something like this is built. An expert can simply log onto the studio where they can drag and drop elements on our flow editor. Clicking on an element allows you to populate its contents as well as add those tips that you saw. To add it to the flow, you can simply connect the arrows and you're done. It's very intuitive, and it means the process can be easily updated and react to changes. The benefits for users include streamlining and standardization of work, access to codified and transferable expert knowledge, and more complete and accurate documentation through automation. For experts, Checkbox is a great way to provide high-value digital touchpoints with clients, be used to generate new revenue streams, and provide insights into industry behavior by tracking the way users interact with the platform. In fact, some areas that Checkbox has already transformed include tax, audit, class action claims, and automation of legal documents. But we're really excited because there are so many areas which can genuinely benefit from Checkbox. So before I wrap up, I'd like to invite you to contact us for more information and even arrange a demo. But for now, thank you for your time and your interest in our mission to navigate the complex with Checkbox.